It's a glorious day. We're up, packing up, but before we do, beans and sausage for breakfast. So I'm going to have a bit of breakfast, make myself a brew, and get the tent and everything else away. Right, we're all packed up. Another nice day. Let's get out of here. No. Riding the bike over this grass is a very strange feeling. It's like the grass has been laid over very soft soil and it moves as you're riding, like a wave. Anyway, we're still a bit rough this morning from last night's drinking, which was probably a bad idea. We should have drank less and gone to bed earlier.
Brilliant, we'll be back at some point. Definitely, thank you.
Cheers, mate. If you're enjoying these videos, please be aware I do these in my own time at my own cost. If you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe and help the channel grow. Thank you. It's fun and games, this gate. If you're wondering on film why we do it like this, it's because if you let go of it, it swings shut again, and that is why one of us has to hold it. Makes sense now, doesn't it? Now it's my turn to hold it while he goes through. Job's a good one. I knocked my mirror as I jumped off bike then with my elbow. I've got a, yeah, I've got a free swing. It ties up, it's obviously it moves if you bang it with your elbow like an idiot. Oh, sheep are coming. Sorry ladies. I know, I feel cruel now. Yeah. Bloody hell. Oh, it's smoke gets in your eyes, but dust does. Yeah, more sheep coming. It's the engine. Whoever feeds these must have a BM. I don't know. But they definitely think there's something going on with this engine. Or it might be your engine, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I didn't clean my visor, it's got dead bugs all over it. Right, so a successful night's camping. No, to say we were drinking last night, don't feel bad at all. Like you say, first port of call, we need a garage. I take it there'll be a petrol station in Bala somewhere. Have to have a nosy for one. Right, well, I don't know. How much fuel have you got? What range? Because we're going, sat-nav's wanting us to go right here, so we're going to have to go left though and get fuel, aren't we? Yeah, it's asking us to go right here. Do you want to go left and find a garage?
Yeah, I think that's better.
Oh god, it's a right weird setup. Oh no. What's this all about? I have to say, I have never seen a petrol station like this, where you just pull up and the fuel lines go over the footpath. No forecourt. It's weird, isn't it? Yeah. Oh. It's on a swingy thing. This is look at cars in there. Weird petrol station. Yep, that's full.
£4.80.
There's on here. There we go. It's an old one, isn't it?
Yeah, very old. 1964.
1964.
Yeah, it's going to the classic car auction soon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they'll give us a price on it.
Is it a full runner and everything?
They said it'll do about 25 grand.
Blooming heck.
You paid for your show?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, it's not been redone or anything, it's all the original interior.
Bloody hell.
Yeah. 47,000 miles on the clock.
Blooming heck.
One older.
Brilliant, that, isn't it?
No, that's it. Yeah. Down there, 20 mile down, well, 15 mile down the road. 25 years ago, I stayed at a cottage regular, and I got to know them well. And one day I had to walk around and in one of the barns. They had one of these, a red one,
Yeah.
with wings on the back.
Alright.
Registration 007.
No way.
Yeah, and it was covered up with a sheet. And I spoke to Rupert, who's the grandson, about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
It's still in the barn. They just turn it over and tick it over,
Yeah.
and it's been there all that time.
Blooming heck.
And he's had a value, they reckon, with the plate, about 80,000.
Yeah.
I said, are you selling it? No, I'll just leave it there.
It's mad, isn't it?
He's got all sorts.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice to see. You see them on the road now and again, don't you, old cars, and
Yeah,
it's great. And it's nice days like today.
yeah,
Brilliant.
yeah, there'll be a few today.
Yeah, I've seen a few coming up. I've seen a Mark II Mexico
Oh yeah,
just going through here yesterday.
was it blue one?
Yellow.
Or the yellow, yeah.
Yeah.
Where we come from?
Rochdale.
Rochdale, thought you were.
Yeah.
Round there.
Yeah.
I'm Bolton originally.
Oh yeah, my wife's from Bolton.
Bolton is she?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Might be Farmouth, yeah.
Right, sir, 2640.
Right, thanks a lot.
Okay.
Cheers, pal. Ooh, that were close. Hey. See you later, mate. This guy's turning here, so get a chance. And we're off. Hey up, who's this statue here? Can't read it. Don't know who it is. It weren't Tom Jones, it didn't look like him.
You don't get many
Oh, we're going up here. Yeah. No. I think it's up here. We're a bit confusing. Is that now? Farmer Jones. I know. Years ago, I working in a factory, and they employed this African guy from Zimbabwe, and he'd come over, and he'd not been in the country long and everything. Anyway, I asked him his name, and it sounds a little bit racist, but we're half expecting a name I couldn't pronounce.
Yeah.
And we were called George Jones. I'll never forget that. It just like, I went, oh, right, wow, really weren't expecting that. Bloody hell. It's a bit... Yeah, it's a bit loose on the road. We've got to be a bit careful. Don't be getting your knee down on corners. It's a good little spot. Cracking. That's a good start to the day's ride. Hey up, going uphill. Or rather me than him. This guy on a cycle. He'll have aching legs by the time he gets to the top of here. The BMW training things in Wales, isn't it? No, I did look at it once. I thought, fancy it. It went 300 quid, I think, for a weekend, which isn't bad when you weigh up. No, they provide a bike. They provide a GS for you, so you don't use your own bike. You obviously could go down there on your own bike and then get on one of theirs. Oh, gravel right in the corner, watch yourself. Yeah, loose stuff in the middle of the road. It's well, this road gets flooded, a bit of water comes off these hills onto this road, pretty bad when it rains hard. But not today. Got glorious sunshine for a change. We was riding down the road when we saw this amazing tower. We just had to investigate. The tower is an intake tower built to extract water from the lake, and the lake was designed to provide a water supply to the city of Liverpool, and work on the dam began in 1881. On its completion 11 years later, the lake was the largest reservoir in Europe, and water was drawn from it through this straining tower and carried to Liverpool on a 68-mile long aqueduct. The tower extracts water from the lake by hydraulic pressure. It contains 3 filtration strainers which were used to cleanse the lake before it transferred onto Liverpool. They have now been superseded by modern purification facilities located away from this lake. The dam project was part of a national endeavour to supply water for drinking and sanitisation to the expanding Victorian cities of the Industrial Revolution. When the reservoir is full, it is 26 metres or 84 feet deep, and it contains 59.7 gigalitres. Now if you don't know what a gigalitre is, it's a lot. The 2 stone towers on top of the dam house the valves, which control the excess water flowing from the base of the wall to allow the river to flow normally. 20 years after its completion, the Prince of Wales, Prince George, who later became King George V, arrived to officially open the dam. In 1890, the Liverpool Corporation set about the building of the hotel in order to entertain dignitaries and other special guests who came to admire the engineering marvel of this dam. With views looking out over the lake, it soon acquired reputation for the stunning vistas it still offers to this day. As I was piloting the drone back, I didn't realise I was being watched by this couple in the camper van who even give us a wave. I only see this now as I'm editing the video. I'd have given a wave myself if I'd have known at the time. Wonder what's next on our journey. Little surprises along the way. Right. Yeah. Go on behind us and all. Let that go first. Wormy stuff. It's amazing how many dogs don't like bikes.
Yeah.
Don't want to carry a baby all the way through here, Jesus. That'll get tiring very quick. Yeah. Yeah, all parents do it. Make the kids walk in wellies and then wonder why they're crying because they don't want to walk anymore. I wouldn't like to go for a long walk with wellies on either. It's happened to me 2 or 3 times that, you know, when you're passing a car out of the way and you get shoved into a little gap. Every time there's a little gap and there's a chuffing great big pothole in it. Can't believe it. That was a waterfall. Oh, pit, we can't stop there. Nowhere to stop. Yeah, it's a shame. There was a stopping spot here if you wanted to walk back. Yeah, we've done a full lap of this lake, haven't we? Worth it though for that bridge and that dam. I think we're turning left off here now. Well, not right now, but in a minute. It's here, I think. Oh, I think. No, instead of going right, we're going to go left here, us. Towards Dinas. Not suitable for HGVs. Cattle grid. Oh crap, there's a load of vehicles coming. Please, no passing points. Bollocks. Just stop in there. Nice one. Yeah. The day had started off so well. The weather was brilliant, the views were brilliant, the roads were brilliant. Everything was going all too well. Well, in the next video, things take a nasty turn. And all the way around. Well, you know, you're joking. When I crashed the bike.